Welcome to Amrita, Single Mom to Nitya channel.
Hey guys, so today I brought this laptop which is from Envy, HP Envy, okay, and the model is of silver color. You can see I'll let down the all specification of the laptop in the description. You can check. The packaging is superb. I am in love with it, and let's open together. Okay, so this is how they are giving the laptop. The center part you can see it's a laptop. On the side you will get the charger. So I have taken my laptop from that packet and it's holding in my hand and pushing this stuff side so that I can show you the actual look of this HP laptop of Envy Premium. Okay, so whenever you are opening, I got the instruction that if you are opening your HP laptop, you need to hold it from here and push it up. Okay, you don't have to. Okay, see, note the place, it's from here you have to hold. Okay, now I'm taking this off. You can see I'm getting the original 10 window 10 for lifetime, and it's Intel 7 with the 10th generation processor, and Microsoft Office Home and Student with the lifetime membership. Okay, let's open the laptop. The best part of the laptop, I feel like, I like it, is this fingerprint locking system, and especially the color and the design is super good. I even checked the laptop's sound effect, it's great. Moreover, this laptop is giving me 6 GB of graphic cards, 1 TB SSD, 16 GB RAM, and altogether I got it in 1,20,000 from HP showroom. Okay, so I'm using this fingerprint to open. I have already set all my things, okay, because I needed all the software which I use, Photoshop and everything, and I'm in love with this way you get everything. The battery life is around 10 to 12 hours if you are just using the normal purpose. If you are using for the video purpose, then it will take around the battery can be a less stable. I would say it will take only 7 or 8 hours, but in spite of that it will go for the 10 to 12 hours if you are just doing the normal work. As you already seen, I want to show you one more thing. It's the back. You can see back you are getting the fan, and the speaker is also inbuilt inside, and the best part is this. Sorry about the background, the bottle got fall. So this is the, whenever you keeping the laptop on the table, you can see there is a height which was given. Okay, so let me tell you one more thing. We have been given with the one USB, one charging cable, and one that SD, and here also we get one USB with one USB with the one earplug option. Okay, so I to personally really like this laptop for my use, professional use. If you are someone who work on the Photoshop or do coding as well, I will recommend this kind of stuff because it's Intel Core i7 processor with 10th generation, and RAM is uh, again 16 GB. Okay, let me take you to the specification so that it will be more clear to you. Okay, where I get to see sorry, I may take some time, but I'll okay, let me search it. Specification. Okay, it's using in. Okay, so finally I found it out. So this is the complete system details. Okay, system, you can see Microsoft Windows 10 home single language version. You can completely see I am not good at the versions. Then comes the laptop name, then comes manufacturer, then comes the system model, which is a HP Premium. This one, HP Envy, is the premium model of HP company. It gets expensive because of this Envy brand. Then comes the processor. The main thing I'm highlighting here, that is the Intel Core i7 10th generation, okay, and 2.6 gigahertz, you can see. Then comes the most important thing for me uh, is the RAM and SSD. I'll drag to there. Okay, so this is the you can see installed physical memory. No, just even I'm checking with you the first time, so you can check everything. I'm not hiding anything. It has all the details which my system is having currently, and I got just 30 minutes before itself, so I also have to check a lot of things. But before buying it, I have checked online every specification which I needed, and this one I found it very good. I'm getting a 1 year of the guarantee, and they even said to me that if anything goes wrong, they can even replace the software which is inside of it and completely replace with no extra cost. Moreover, I am getting this K7 total security. I'm taking externally, and they are charging 700 for 1.5 years. And the good thing about this keypad is I mostly work at my night time, and sometimes lights go away, right, without any notice. So that time I use this keypad light. I can use that, and which is a very good thing feature. uh, the camera quality is not so good, but yeah, it's okay to go for the meeting purpose and everything. And what else? I think I'm covering everything. I'll make sure I'm putting all the details in the description. Do check that there, and I will put the shop name also from where I have brought it. I'll put the agent name also, if in case you would like to get it. And yeah, thank you so much, and I hope you will like it. Okay, thank you. It was pleasure having you on my video. Thank you. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Sorry guys, I forgot to also mention that I got this HP bag, which is very good and I really like it. If you go for this kind of bag, it will externally, I mean just for the bag, it will 2000 or something, as it's written on the bag label. The quality of bag is very good. I have already seen on the video also, and I even checked in the shop. I am also getting this wireless mouse, and this is the bill, so that you will be assured that I'm hiding just my details, okay, my personal address, so you can check. It's 1,20,000, not hiding anything from you guys. Tomorrow I'm going to pay external fee for the antivirus. So this one and laptop I got, okay.
Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my button. Thank you.